I am excited to make a grilled New York strip steak for you today, an apple coleslaw, and a salsa verde. Let's get started with our cabbage slaw. So we're gonna start by making really thin slices. I'm going to move on to our red cabbage, Granny Smith apple, green onions, chives. We're gonna mix these items together. Next, we'll make the vinaigrette. Apple cider vinegar, vegetable oil, sugar, red chili flakes, and lastly, I've got Dijon mustard here. So I'm going to take this over to the stove, dissolving that sugar, and we are gonna add our vinaigrette into the mixture. Let's make our salsa verde. Minced parsley, garlic, anchovies, lemon zest and juice, apple cider vinegar, capers, honey, olive oil, salt. We're gonna mix all of these ingredients together. That's our salsa verde. We're gonna get ready to grill our steak. A little bit of vegetable oil here. I'm gonna put salt and pepper on there. I'm gonna go ahead and move them to the cooler side of my grill, and I'm gonna cook them till they're about 105 degrees internally. I'm gonna flip them every 2 or 3 minutes or so, and once they reach 105, they go on the hot side until we reach 132 degrees, and then we've got a beautiful medium rare. We've got our beautifully cooked steaks ready to go. Somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes is a perfect amount of time to rest. Garnish this with a little bit of our salsa verde and a little bit of our apple coleslaw that we made. Let's serve these beautiful steaks to our guests. I'm Chef Julie, and if you like what you've seen here today, come to OCC and learn with me.